Hi, hello and good morning everyone. Newborn investor here and welcome to my live day trading video. Hopefully the market gives us some great opportunities today as we're all here to make some money. So if you're new to my channel, you know what to do. Consider subscribing if you're interested in stock market investing and trading. I do offer a free Discord chat group where I post my trade ideas before it plays out. However, we don't give buy or sell signals here. So if you're expecting it, then this group may not be the place. But if you're still interested in learning and being part of the community, please feel free to check out the link in the description below. Alright, let's see what we have for today. Looks like it's going to be a slow day as I'm not seeing good setups pre-market. The only stock that I'm watching from pre-market is ticker LC. However, the stock is lacking enough volume to get me interested. And right now it looks like it's on a downtrend. Probably this stock may not be in play. We do have a few penny stocks moving, but if you have been watching my trades, I personally like to stay away from low float penny stocks. It simply does not work for me. So today, apart from ticker LC, I'll be watching my scanners for any setups at market open. The market opens in another 7 minutes, so I'll go ahead and pause for now and I'll talk to you guys just before market open. The market is open. CCIV making the move. I'll be a buyer around the 30-70 area if the stock wants to give me a pullback. So I'm not trusting ticker LC because the spread is huge. On CCIV, my first entry would be around 30.76, 200 shares, placing an order out there. Actually, it should have been 30.85. That was the right support level. I think I missed it. Canceling it now. Bummer there. Placing an order out there at 17.52 on ticker LC. If 1760 breaks, probably I'll get my ad. Looks like ticker LC doesn't want to give me an entry. Now on CCIV, I'll be interested in 31.12, an aggressive entry, but that is where I would be a buyer. I missed on ticker LC and now I'm missing on CCIV. Not a good start. 31.75 would be my entry. I missed it as well. I think there is an issue with my level 2 in time and sales. It's not showing the updated one. The level 1 shows a bid of 1771 and ask of 1776. Now it's updated. I'm at 1752. I'm canceling it now. I'm in at 3167 on CCIV. My next ad would be around 3126. Yep, I'm in 400 shares. My third ad would be around 3090. I'm taken out. That was a stressful trade. I don't think I made enough money on that. Not a great trade. I panicked a bit because I did not have enough buying power to make my third ad. I was expecting this push and I sold early. So ticker LC would have worked out in my favor much better compared to CCIV, but I pulled the trigger on CCIV. I think I'll call it a day. I am not in a great state of mind to continue trading because CCIV took a toll on me and now I'm seeing it going up. I'm emotionally frustrated, so I don't want to continue trading. Closing the day up over $23, I would take it and I'll move on. As I always say, the goal here is not to hit home runs, but to make consistent base hits and live another day to trade. I'll talk to you guys tomorrow. Until then, stay safe and thanks for watching. Bye.